Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 10 sets. Next topic it is types of sets. So there are different types of set. First one, finite set. A set is said to be a finite set if it has a limited number of elements. That is, the number of elements in it can be counted. Okay, so finite set means a set whose elements we can count the number of elements. Okay, how many elements are there in that set? We can count. Such a set is called a finite set. Okay, it has a limited number of elements only. So example, we can take a p equal to natural numbers less than 50, set of natural numbers less than 50. So that set, what all elements will come in that set? Starting from 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 49. Natural numbers from 1 to 49 will be the elements of this set. Okay, so it contains 49 elements. We can count how many elements are there in that set. So this set is a finite set. Second one, Q equal to set of all x such that x is a number of students in your school. So number of students in your school, how many students are there? We can count. So that is also a finite set. Okay. Now next type it is infinite set. A set is said to be an infinite set if it has an unlimited number of elements. That is, the number of elements of such a set cannot be counted. So infinite set means it has unlimited number of elements. Okay, we can't count how many number of elements is included in that set. Okay, we can't count the number of elements of infinite set. For example, let us take Q equal to set of whole numbers. So set of whole numbers means whole numbers start from zeros. Inside set it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. This whole number of whole number we can't count how many whole numbers are there. It is infinite. There are infinite number of whole numbers. Okay, so the number of elements we can't count in set of whole numbers. Okay, so this is infinite set. Second one, R equal to stars in the sky. So we can't count the stars in the sky. So that is an infinite set. Okay. Third type it is the empty set or the null set. Okay, the other name of empty set it is null set. It is the set that has no elements. So if a set does not contain any element, it is called empty set or null set. Okay, we will represent empty set using a curly braces, a pair of curly braces. Okay, simply a curly braces like this, a pair of curly braces like this means it is an empty set. It means an empty set. Okay, and other form of representing an empty set it is phi. This is Greek letter phi. Okay, empty set we can represent using these two signs, either a pair of curly braces like this or this symbol, Greek letter symbol or phi. Okay, we will read as phi. So this means empty set. For example, let us take let A equal to triangle, set of all triangles with the 4 sides. So a triangle with the 4 sides, it is not possible. Okay, a triangle has only 3 sides. So this set is an empty set. Okay. Second one, B equal to natural number, set of all natural numbers less than 1. So natural numbers less than 1, it is not there. A natural number starts from 1 only. The smallest natural number it is 1. Okay, so natural numbers, there are no natural number which is less than 1. So this is also an empty set. Okay, or null set. Next type it is equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if the elements of the two sets are the same the elements of the two sets are identical. So when two sets will be equal, two sets are said to be equal if the elements of the two sets are the same elements. The two set will contain the same elements. The elements of the two sets are identical. That means it is the same. Okay. The symbol used for equality of set is usual sign equal to. So we will represent two sets are equal using equal to sign only. Let us take example. Let A equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to set of all natural numbers less than 5. So in A the elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. B natural numbers less than 5. That is also what the elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, natural numbers less than 5. They are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So set A and B contains the same elements or identical elements. Okay, so we can say set A equal to set B, or we can simply write A equal to B. So two sets will be equal if the elements of the two sets are the same or the elements of two sets are identical. Next, equivalent set. Two sets are said to be equivalent if the number of elements in both the sets are equal. Okay, equal set and equivalent set. You have to know the difference. Equivalent set means the number of elements in both the set are equal. Now only the number of elements will be equal. Okay, not the elements itself can be same or different. The elements may be same or they may be different. ആ സെറ്റിൽ രണ്ട് സെറ്റിൽ ഇക്വാലൻ്റ് ആണെന്ന് പറയണമെങ്കിൽ ആ രണ്ട് സെറ്റിലുമുള്ള നമ്പർ ഓഫ് എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. ഇപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സെറ്റിൽ 4 എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സെക്കൻഡ് സെറ്റിലും 4 എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക. ആ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കാം ഓർ ദേ മേ ബി ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്. എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് സെയിം ആവാം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആവാം. ഓക്കെ, ബട്ട് ഈച്ച് സെറ്റ് മസ്റ്റ് കണ്ടെയ്ൻ ദ സെയിം നമ്പർ ഓഫ് എലമെൻറ്റ്സ്. ദ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഷുഡ് ബി ദ സെയിം. Okay, if two sets have the same number of elements means we can say they are equivalent sets. Let us take example A equal to x, y, z. Set x, y, z. B equal to set Patna, Calcutta, Delhi. So here you can see set A contains 3 elements, set B contains 3 elements. Okay, so we can say A and B are equivalent set because they have equal number of elements. Okay, A and B have 3 elements. So we can say they are equivalent, but they are not equal. They are not equal sets. Okay, the elements are different. Elements in these two sets are not same, so they are not equal set, but they are equivalent set. Okay, equal sets are equivalent, but converse is not always true. All equal sets we can say they are equivalent set, but equivalent set is not equal set. Okay, two empty sets are always equal. Empty sets, they are equal. Two infinite sets are always equivalent. So if we take a two infinite set, we can't count the number of elements in it. It will go infinitely. Okay, it will contain infinitely many number of elements. So we can say two infinite sets are always equivalent. Okay, next type it is disjoint sets. If two given sets have no element in common, they are disjoint set. Okay, so we are taking two sets and they contain different elements. They don't have any element in common. Okay, no element comes in both the set. In that case we can say that two elements are disjoint set. രണ്ട് സെറ്റിലും ഒരു എലമെൻറ്റ് കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. രണ്ട് സെറ്റിലും വരുന്ന ഒരു എലമെൻറ്റും നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സച്ച് സെറ്റ്സ് ആർ കോൾഡ് ഡിസ്ജോയിൻറ്റ് സെറ്റ്. സോ ലെറ്റ് us take one example. Let A equal to set of students of class 10th and B equal to set of students of class 12th. So here we can say the set A and set B are disjoint set. Why we can say? Because no student can study in both the 10th and 12th. Either he will be in 10th or he will be in 12th. Okay, no student can be common to the two classes. So we can say set A and B are disjoint. Okay. Second example, let us take let P equal to A, B, C, D and Q equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, can you find any element in common to both the set P and Q? No element is there which is common to these two sets. Okay, so we can say set P and Q are disjoint set. Okay, next type, overlapping sets. If two given set have at least one element in common, they are said to be overlapping set. So, at least one element. If two sets have at least one element in common, then we can say these two are overlapping set. Okay, ഒരു എലമെൻറ്റെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് സെറ്റിലും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് നമുക്കതിന് ഓവർലാപ്പിംഗ് സെറ്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറയാം. Let us take example. If set A equal to set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and set B equal to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you can find the elements which are common to both the set A and B. Here you can see 6 is there in set A, 6 is there in set B also. Now 8 is there in set A, 8 is there in set B also. Similarly 10 is there in both the sets. So we can say they have common elements. Okay, then we can say sets A and B are overlapping sets. Okay, if at least one element is there in common means we can say that two sets are overlapping sets. Now let us do exercise 10D. First one, state whether the given set is infinite or finite. Okay, first one, set 3, 5, 7 etc. So these dot indicates these elements are infinite. Okay, elements of the set is infinite. Clearly this is an infinite set. You can write there infinite set. Okay, second one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Set 1, 2, 3, 4. So clearly this set contains 4 elements. It is countable or it is infinite. Okay, so we can say this is finite set. Third one, here -3, many elements are there here. This dots indicates many elements are there here. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So this is actually an infinite set because many elements, many negative integers that is less than -3 will come here. Okay, there are infinite number of negative integers, so this is infinite set. Okay, then fourth one, 20, 30, 40, 50 etc. up to 200. So this is finite set. Finite because 20, 30, 40, 50, then 60, 70, 80, 100 up to 200. So this is this set contains finite number of elements or limited number of elements. It is countable also. So this is finite set. Okay. Second question, which of the following sets is empty? First one, set of counting numbers between 5 and 6. So between 5 and 6 there is no counting number. Okay, we can't find any counting number or natural number between 5 and 6. So this set is empty. This is an empty set. Second one, set of odd numbers between 7 and 19. In between 7 and 19 you can find the odd numbers. So that is not an empty set. Okay, this is actually not an empty set. Third one, set of odd numbers between 7 and 9. In between 7 and 9 you can't find any odd number. Okay, so this set is empty. This is an empty set. Now fourth one, set of even numbers that are not divisible by 2. Even numbers, we know that all even numbers are divisible by 2. So we can't find any even number that are not divisible by 2. We can't find. There is no number such that there is no even number such that it is not divisible by 2. We can't find that. So this is an empty set. Okay, set of even numbers that are not divisible by 2. Such an even number we need, but there is no even number which is not divisible by 2. Okay, that's why this is an empty set. Now fifth one, set 0. So here inside this set one element is there. So this is not an empty set. Okay, if a set contains at least one element means it is not an empty set. If it does not contain any element, then only we can say it is an empty set. So here this set contains one element. So that is not an empty set. Okay. Third question, state which pair of sets given below are equal sets and which are equivalent. So which one we can say equal and which one we can say equivalent. You have to write that. First one, set 357 and set 537. So here you can see first set contains 3, second set also contains 3. First set contains 5, second set also contains 5. Then first set contains 7, second set also contains 7. So the elements of both the set are same. Okay, both the set contain same elements. So what we can say, these are equal sets. Okay, now second one, set 8, 6, 10, 12 and set 3, 2, 4, 6. Clearly here you can see the elements of both the set are different. Elements are different, but they contain the same number of elements. First set contain 4 elements, second set also contain 4 elements and the elements are different. So this is an example for equivalent set. Okay, it is equivalent set. Second one, it is equivalent set. Third one, set 7, 7, 2, 1, 2 and set 1, 2, 7. So first set, actually this set, we know that elements in a set are not repeated. So set 7, 7, 2, 1, 2 means it is set 7, 2, 1. Okay, it contains 3 elements actually, 7, 2 and 1 and 1, 2, 7. So both the elements, the elements of both the set are same here. Set 1, first set contains 7, 2, 1 and second set also contains 7, 2, 1 as their elements. So they are equal set. Okay, fourth one, set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set A, B, D, E, M. Clearly they are equivalent set. They have same number of elements, 5. Both the set contain 5 elements in it, but the elements are different. So they are equivalent set. Okay. Now do the fourth question as homework. Which of the following are finite set and which are infinite, you can do as homework. Fifth one also you can do as homework. Now sixth one, state if the given pairs of sets are equal sets or equivalent set. Okay. First one, set of natural numbers less than 5 and set of letters of the word boat. Okay, so here we have to find whether it is equal sets or equivalent set. Natural numbers less than 5. So what will be the first set? It is set 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural numbers less than 5. Okay. Now second, it is given letters of the word boat. So second set it will be letters B, O, A, T. Letters of the word boat. It is this. So we can see here the elements are different, but these two sets contain the same number of elements. Number of elements is same here, but different elements. So these are equivalent set. Okay, equivalent set. Here numbers first settilum second settilum 4 elements aanu ullathu. Only elements are different aananu matram. Okay, so what we can say, these are equivalent set. In that second one, set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set of even natural numbers less than 12. First set it is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, next set it is even natural numbers less than 12. Even natural numbers which is less than 12. So we can start with the 2. Natural numbers it is, and that should be even also. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the even natural numbers which is less than 12. So we can see here the elements are the same. In both the set the elements are the same, so they are equal sets. Okay. Now in that third one, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Set 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. and set of odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. So that set is also 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Odd natural numbers. So we can see here these two contain same elements in it. These two sets. So they are equal sets. Okay. Now fourth one, letters of the word member. Set of letters of the word member. So let us write the set. M, E, M is there, so no need to write that again. Now B, again E is there, next R. So this is the set of letters of the word member. And letter, second set it is given set of letters of the word remember. Okay, so that we can write R will come, then E, M, then E is there, again M is there, then B, E, R, it is already there. So R, E, M, B. This is the set, letters of the word remember. Okay, now we can see here M in both the set, E in both the set, B in both the set, R. So these are equal sets. Okay. In that fifth one, set of negative natural numbers and set of 50th day of a month. So first set of negative natural number. Actually all natural numbers are positive. So that is an empty set. Set of negative natural number, it is an empty set. We can represent using 5. Okay, this symbol. And second set of 50th day of a month. Actually a month contain either 30 or 31 days. So 50th day, there is no such day. So that set is also empty set. Okay, 2 empty set they are. So they are, we know that 2 empty sets are equal sets. Okay, we can say 2 empty sets, they are equal. So fifth one, it is equal set. Sixth one, set of even natural numbers and set of odd natural numbers. So set of even natural numbers means it will contain even natural numbers start with a 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Okay. Next set, second set, it is set of odd natural numbers. So that odd numbers start with 1. Odd natural numbers start with 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And these two are infinite sets. Okay. So first set, this is an infinite set. Second set, this is also an infinite set. And we know that 2 infinite sets are always equivalent set. Okay, 2 infinite sets are always equivalent set. 2 empty sets are always equal sets, and 2 infinite sets are always equivalent sets. Okay, do the 7th and 8th question also as homework. Now 9th question. State, giving reasons, which of the following pairs of set are disjoint set and which are overlapping set. Okay, so we know what are disjoint set and overlapping set. First one, A equal to set of girls with ages above 15 years and B equal to set of girls with ages above 15 years. So first set A will contains the girls whose age is below 15 years. Second set B contains the girls whose age is above 15 years. So clearly we know that no girl can come in both the set. Either she will be in set A or she will be in set B. Okay, no girl can be of the both age. No girl can be of the age below 15 years and age above 15 years. Both the ages. Okay, so they are disjoint set. Second one, C equal to set of boys with ages above 20 years and D equal to set of boys with ages above 27 years. So set C contains all the boys whose age is above 20 years. So that will include 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, etc. Okay, and set D, boys with ages above 27 years. So this set will contain, D will contain the boys whose age is 28, 29, 30, 31, etc. Okay, so what we can say about this, are they disjoint or overlapping? We know that this age group, boys with age above 20 years, will contain this boys also. The boys who are coming in set D. Set C il actually set D ilulla ella boysum varum because they are above 20 years. Okay, 20 years in a മോളിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ബോയ്സും സെറ്റ് സിയിൽ വരും. 27 ഇയേഴ്സിന് മുകളിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ബോയ്സും സെറ്റ് ഡിയിൽ വരും. സോ 20 ഇയേഴ്സിന് മുകളിലെന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ they are also above 27. Okay, so these two sets are overlapping set. The boys who are coming in set D will come in set C also because they are above 20 years of age. That's why. Okay, so these two sets are overlapping sets. Third one, A equal to set of natural numbers between 35 and 60 and B equal to natural numbers between 50 and 60. So let us write the set A and B elements. Set A equal to natural numbers between 35 and 60. So which all numbers will come here? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, etc. up to 59. Okay, up to 59 this set A will contain. Okay, next set B. What is set B? Natural numbers between 50 and 80. Between 50 and 80. So we can start from 51. 51, 52, 53, 54, etc. up to 79 it will contain. Okay, now can we find the common elements in A and B, in set A and B? We can see that from 51 to 59, this set A will contain 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. Okay, all these numbers are coming in set A. These numbers are also coming in set B also. You can see here 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So they have elements in common. Okay, so what we can say? They are overlapping sets. Okay, they have elements from 51 to 59. These numbers are common to both A and B. That's why they are overlapping sets. Now fourth one, P equal to set of students of class 9th studying in ICSE board and Q equal to students of class 9th. So both the set contains students of class 9th, but in the first set it contains the students of class 9 studying in ICSE board. Okay, that students will come in the set Q also. Okay, all the students who are studying in class 9th will come in set Q. Okay, so the students of class 9 studying in ICSE board will come in the set Q also. So they are overlapping set. They have common students. Common elements are there in both set P and Q. So they are overlapping sets. Okay. Fifth one, A equal to set of natural numbers that are multiples of 3 and less than 30. And B equal to set of natural numbers divisible by 4 and lying between 20 and 45. So let's write the set. First set A equal to set of natural numbers that are multiples of 3 and less than 30. Okay, natural numbers. So it will start from 3. Multiples of 3 which is less than 30. So 3, then 6 will come. After 3, 6. Then 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. This is the set A. 3, 6, 9. Natural numbers that are multiples of 3 and less than 30. Next B, it is given natural numbers divisible by 4 and lying between 20 and 45. So natural numbers that are divisible by 4. It should be divisible by 4 and between 20 and 45. So we know 4 into 5, 20. After that 24 is coming. 24 is divisible by, after 20, 24 is divisible by 4. Then after 24, 28. Okay, then 32, then 36. After that 40, 44, 48. Okay, between 20 and 45 is given. So 48 no need to write. Between 20 and 45, these are the natural numbers that are divisible by 4 and between 20 and 45. Multiples, divisible by 4 and between 20 and 45. Okay, now can we find any element in common to both A and B? 24 is there. 24 is common to both the set. So we can say these two sets have at least one element in common. Okay, one element is there in common. So we can say they are overlapping set. Okay, next is sixth one, P equal to letters in the word Allahabad and Q equal to letters in the word Mussoorie. So first set, let us write P equal to letters of the word Allahabad. So A is coming, then L, then again LA no need to take because already we wrote that. Next H is coming, then B will come, then D. H, B, D. Then this is the set which contain the letters of the word Allahabad. Okay, then next second set, what is given? Letters in the word Mussoorie. So M is coming. M we can write, then U, S, O, R, I, E. So this is the set which contains the letters of the word Mussoorie. Okay, now can we find any element in common to both the set P and Q? We can't find. A is not there, L is not here, H is not here, B is not here, D is not here. So this is disjoint set. These are disjoint sets. They have no element in common. Okay.